Hey, what's up YouTube? Rahul here back with an interesting video. In this video, we'll be looking at the Samsung and the quantum technology. Samsung is using quantum technology for its network-based affairs. So we'll actually see. I'm really curious to know more about it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I know we are all fascinated by the Wi-Fi 6 and the 5G network connectivity, the speed and all. But I really want you to hear this. This is actually a tie-up of Samsung with SK Telecom sector that is actually based in South Korea. So this SK Telecom sector designed something called as QRNG chipset. So this is actually world's first 5G chipset that has the quantum technology in it. The QRNG stands for Quantum Random Number Generator chipset. As we all know, Samsung uses its A series for testing or experiencing any sort of new things. It may be 64 megapixel camera or 48 megapixel camera or the punch hole displays or any sort of things. It uses the A series versions first and then brings it up to the Note and the S series version. So here also again we are seeing that quantum tech chipset in the A series. So this smartphone is actually rebranded Samsung Galaxy A71. The price actually goes more, it actually $100 more than the actual A71. We'll talk more about the price in the later part of this video. So some of the basic things are it is powered by the 980 SoC, that is the Samsung's latest flagship processor, and also it has 6.7-inch OLED display, same as the classic A71, and the single speaker and center punch hole cutout, and normal 64 megapixel camera, an ultra wide camera, telephoto, as well as a macro camera, and a usual quad camera setup. What sets the classic A71 apart from this particular system is the QRNG chipset, which means it is incredibly secure. Random numbers are an essential element in many security systems, but they are not always as random as one might think, making them vulnerable to hacks. So this QRNG chipset has something called as the light emitting diode, which is set apart from the SoC, the 980 SoC from Samsung, and it also has the image sensor. The LED emits a random number of photons. These are captured and counted by the image sensor pixels, providing a series of random numbers that are fed to a random bit generator algorithm, thereby further distilling the entropy of quantum origin to create completely unpredictable random bits. The SK Telecom, pairing with the online services that they provide, tell that this system is unhackable. I actually doubt we'll actually see what really happens in the future. As of now, this chipset works only with the Samsung smartphones, the QRNG chipset, but we'll actually see, because the company has told it will increase its footprints in the near future. So we'll actually see more devices and more network affairs from the SK Telecom sector. So this device is actually named as Samsung Galaxy A Quantum. It will go on sale on May 22nd. It's only available in South Korea. The price is $530, which is actually almost $100 to $130 higher than the classic A71. And there is no word if this device is gonna launch in other regions like India or UK, USA, anywhere. So that was pretty much everything about all this quantum devices, the Galaxy A Quantum. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, please hit the subscribe icon. It will mean a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.